the person came to you and asked for medicine.
Yeah.
You don't have the medicine. What do you need to do to the person?
But the person is looking for healing. That's why he's asking for what? Medicine. And you needed medicine to heal the person. And you don't have medicine, but you have power. And you say, oh, you don't even need the medicine. Let me heal you. That's all. Because what the person is looking for is what? Medicine. To go and use the medicine for what? To heal himself or herself. And then you have the power to do it. Do you need medicine again? Medicine is even going to waste time. The person is going to take chemicals. He's going to take medicine, and now go and sleep, go and eat before. Even sometimes the medicine, they say go and eat before you take it. It's a waste of time. It's easy to just settle the matter. Sometimes we serve. We forget, oh, that's why we go looking for medicine. How can you have power and you are sick? Eh? You go looking for medicine. If you remember, you say, why am I even taking medicine? I'm here, I'm healed, I'm okay. You will see that you'll be okay. It's just like that. I'm wasting the medicine. A man died and he rot and his bones wake another person up. That will tell you the power in human beings. The man died, but the power was still in the bones. Another dead body landed on the dead old bones, rotting bones. The body got up. Power is like battery, car battery. You put wires there, fire, power. You want to buy battery, go to those who are selling battery. When I say, are you sure this battery is good? They will just take wire. You hear, fire! See that, yes, there's power inside. Battery self has power. Battery, non-living thing, has power. How about you living? If you don't have power, can you sleep and get up? Masataya Kodogo. How can you be deceived? You have slept and woke up, and you can't even see that alone is power. Or you don't know that sleep was death. When you sleep, do you know what is happening? Every sleeping human being is a dead human being. But you slept dead. And you got up from the dead, Makaya, and then you are talking about malaria, malaria, fever. Oh, tell the person sitting by you, oh, I don't know, you are in disgrace. You have power to sleep. Sleep means death, because when you sleep, do you know what is happening? People sleep even on the bed and roll and come and fall down. And they are still sleeping. They are not even aware. They are not even aware that they are falling off the bed. That will tell you sleep is death. But the same you wake up from sleep. That one alone is what? Power. Why do you allow malaria and some witch somewhere to chew your Tell the person seated by you, hey, I didn't know how power. Tell the person, look, now if you try me, I will show you where power lies. Tell the person, try me and see. Lift the clap for faith. Don't sit in the car is going to gas and you be crying. No, command. Command the car back to order. If another car is crossing, command, your car will jump, then it will pass, then your car will land. Amen. You doubt yourself. That's why the devil is using you like Kelly Willie. Playing you like Charles Kelly. You want to play chaskele? Go and use stone. Whether you can play stone chaskele. The stone will show you that it's not me that used to play chaskele. You can find milk, empty tin. They don't have nothing, so you use it. But stone will show you that, Charlie, you can't use me. Power. The stone has power. You do have power. Don't lie yourself. The devil is deceiving you. He's a liar. Look at Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. They said, look, if our God will not save us, this fire, we will go inside. That one alone was enough to let the fire cease power to burn. It was their mind. Their mind made the fire lose burning power. And the people who were throwing them in, they don't have that mind. So what happened to them? They were bent. So people were thrown inside. The fire didn't burn them. The people that were thrown, they are bent. Think about that. The person, look, that is power. Tell the person, look, you have that power too. Your own is even better than those people. Lift a clap of him to Jesus. Amen. Any question? Any question? Of course, there will be question. Because right now, if you allow yourself, you like. Yes. Yeah. Look, to show you your power alone is sleeping and getting up. You sleep, you get up. Every day you sleep and get up too. For years. Look at Mr. Freku. He has slept and gotten up over 80 years. Look at him. And he's rubbing about, he hasn't got. And every year he has slept over 300 times. And waking up. And he's roving about. Small things he has to show the power. He's not sure. He said, let me go and see prophet. Human being, you have power. Your sleeping and waking up alone is enough to give you confidence that me too, I have power. Because the most powerful thing that conquers man is death. That's the most powerful thing that conquers man, death. But you have power more than death. That's why you sleep and get up. You sleep and get up. Every day you sleep. Didn't you hear Jesus? They came and told him that somebody is dead. He said, oh, they are sleeping. What does it mean? Death and sleep are the same. Then the disciples said, oh, then if he's sleeping, he will wake up. He said, no, he's dead. The same man. Oh. Then he said, Then the disciple became confused. But you know the one who said he was sleeping. He said, what I mean is that he's dead. That means sleep and death are what? The same. Lift a clap of him. Then Jesus said, let's go and wake him up. See, he said, let's go and wake him up. That means if you can sleep and wake up, you have power. That's a powerful revelation. If you can sleep and get up, that is power. You have power. All you need to know is some constitution, the Bible. Know some things and start to demonstrate the power. If I were you, if I live here, before you live here, you start to plan. I'm going to show some power somewhere. If I were you, start to think. You want to go and show some power. Somebody is sick, you want to go and command the person to get up. And start to look. When you have power, you use it. You don't waste the power. Are you Doomsaw or what? Doomsaw don't have power, so they are doomed. But if you have power, you use it. Amen. Amen. Any other thing? Any other question? I believe today is an interesting day. Yes. And don't live here and come powerless. You must demonstrate. But next week you must bring testimony. Look, go and try it and see whether it will work. It will work, I'm telling you. The moment it didn't work, it is you. You started that it shouldn't work, and you don't need to even do it. Because you yourself, you don't want it to work. Doubt. Our biggest enemy is doubt. Doubt. Amen.